Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by mounting the sight to the Recurve riser at the manufacturer plate. Install the sight so the aperture aligns 3-5 inches above the arrow rest. Hand tighten screws first, then use a torque recommendation if the manufacturer provides one. Set initial windage and elevation to center for your 20 yards practice distance. Use the smallest aperture that still gives a clear sight picture and focus. Confirm the sight bar is vertical and the pin is parallel to the arrow. Start tuning by shooting at 10 yards to verify pin alignment and arrow flight. If shots group high, lower elevation 2 clicks or 1/4 turn of the knob. For windage adjustments, move the sight left or right until groups center on the target. Anchor consistently, focus on the pin, then align the pin with the target center on each shot. Use a consistent peep height and check arrow spine if groups remain inconsistent at 20 yards. Log every change with distance, clicks, and outcomes. Practice at varied distances, starting at 10 yards, then progressing to 20 and 30 yards. Warm up with 15 minutes of form drills, focusing on release and follow-through before scoring practice. Check sight mounting before each session and red-tighten screws to manufacturer torque to maintain consistency. Inspect pins, lenses, and sight bar for damage. Replace parts if alignment cannot be achieved. Maintain a safety routine. Clear range, use an arrow rest, and wear an arm guard. Record successful settings per distance so you can quickly return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.